Are you new to FPV and wondering if there's a program to assist you in practicing to fly, or it's just a rainy day? DJI Flight Simulator can help you simulate FPV just like you were flying outdoors. All you need is your DJI Avata or FPV drone, goggles that you like to use, as well as controller. In my case, I'll be using the DJI Goggles 2 and motion controller to navigate the simulator. Follow the on-screen prompts and you're ready to start. There are multiple courses along with multiple modes you can access, from factory, soccer field, and parking garage. Let's start with the factory in arcade mode. Follow the on-screen prompts like how you would usually start the drone. Here, the objective is to fly through the squares. The more consecutive boxes you go through, the more you can multiply your score. Let's take a look at the soccer field. As you can see here, I'm able to fly through obstacles and crash just like you see here. It just provides a fun and immersive experience for the beginner to more intermediate to advanced pilot. Let's take a look at the third option we have, which is the parking garage. As you can see here, there's still multiple modes you can use, whether the time trial or you want to just have a free flight around the parking garage, you're free to do so. What I like most about this simulation is your ability to pause in between flight and just choose another course. I found the factory to be the most enjoyable. There are multiple courses that you can use within the factory and just more obstacles you can kind of practice your skills on. Just better experience for me, in my opinion. You also have the option to use your device's touchpad to control the drone. It's great when you're bored or you just don't feel like setting up all your equipment. If this video assisted you in improving your FPV skills, please like and share for more videos coming to this channel.